Are you actually saving as much as you think, or just hoping it works out? You won't believe how Summit Save Bank approaches saving in 2026. Summit Save Bank is a digital-focused bank built around one idea, making saving automatic and predictable. Opening an account is quick, and the interface is designed to feel calm and simple, even for beginners. The main attraction is Summit Save's tiered savings system. Instead of one flat account, your balance unlocks higher interest tiers over time. This encourages consistency rather than short-term deposits. Most people get this wrong by chasing bonuses, but Summit Save rewards patience. Another standout feature is smart transfers. The bank analyzes your income and expenses, then recommends safe transfer amounts into savings. You can approve or automate them. Over time, this builds momentum without risking overdrafts. Summit Save also provides clear monthly summaries that highlight progress instead of just numbers. Seeing how often you saved and how your habits improved keeps motivation high. The surprising truth is that behavior tracking often matters more than interest rates. On the downside, Summit Save keeps things simple. There are no investment options, credit cards, or advanced budgeting tools. It's a savings-first bank, not an all-in-one financial ecosystem. Is Summit Save Bank still worth it in 2026? For users who want stress-free saving and steady growth, absolutely. It's ideal for emergency funds, future plans, and disciplined savers. Subscribe for more straightforward bank reviews that help you make smarter choices.